Earth of Trine is our planet, which has been cleared and reshaped at will by three deity-like immortals, possessing the power to traverse both space and time. The life that now inhabits this world was shaped by one of three paths. Evolving from survivors of the purification event, being transported from the past by the deities themselves, or being artificially created entirely by these immortal beings. In this visual presentation, we explore the remarkable and diverse Clado, inhabitants within the waters of the Earth of Trine. The Manta Rays, in particular, have proven to be incredibly successful in this environment, their unique characteristics and adaptability allowing them to thrive in the waters of this alternate world. Manta Rays and other open sea dwellers may have survived the purification event just well due to several reasons. Firstly, the oceans themselves are vast and cover a significant portion of the planet, with a greater depth and lower accessibility than the land. Additionally, many open sea creatures, including manta rays, live in the deeper, more remote reaches of the ocean where the impact of the purification event may have been less severe. The extinction of humanity brought about a significant change in the ocean ecosystem. With the cessation of commercial fishing and pollution, the oceanic environment began to recover, finding a semblance of balance. However, the arrival of feral cows on land initiated a drastic shift in the climate due to the release of methane. Consequently, global temperatures spiked, resulting in a sudden surge in the population of tiger sharks. For the manta rays, who had initially survived the original extinction event, the emergence of hungry predators presented a whole new challenge. The overpopulation of tiger sharks forced the manta rays to leave their traditional open ocean habitat and move closer to the coast, resulting in a change in their environment. They faced new challenges such as lower salinity levels, reduced plankton density, and an unexpected threat from above: ospreys. The black coloration of newborn stingrays, which provided excellent camouflage in the deep, dark waters of the open ocean, now made them easy targets for predators such as ospreys, as it stood out in the shallow, well-lit coastal waters. Indeed, the manta rays were forced to adapt to their new coastal habitat and the new threat posed by ospreys. Through the process of natural selection, a subgroup of the manta rays evolved to have a new coloration, a sandy yellow hue with pinkish-red spots, known as the raspberry manta. This new coloration blends them seamlessly into the sandy and rocky terrain of coastal waters, making it harder for predators, like ospreys, to spot and target them. The raspberry manta, also known as the pink panther of the sea, among sea stewards, is a beautiful and captivating creature of the known sea. Raspberry mantas are known for their size and grace, with their wingspans reaching up to 15 feet. They are filter feeders, feeding primarily on a diet of plankton and small invertebrates. The other subgroup of manta rays adapted to the challenge of the low salinity levels by becoming freshwater bottom feeders, known as spike rays. These new species of manta rays thrive in the murky waters of freshwater rivers, and their population is astonishingly high. Over time, their body plans have converged with those of freshwater stingray species, as they have adapted to their new environment. This evolutionary change has allowed the spike rays to utilize the resources available in freshwater rivers, contributing to their success as a subspecies of manta rays. With the decline of the tiger shark population and the safety returning to the open ocean, the manta rays cautiously begin to leave their protected coastal areas. Slowly and steadily, they start to explore and reassert their dominion over the once dangerous waters. The oceans, previously controlled by the tiger sharks, are now open to a new generation of mantas. As the ages unfold, the manta's influence over the marine ecosystem strengthens, leading to the emergence of larger and more colossal species in the post-sharkocalypse waters. This marks a significant power shift in the oceanic hierarchy. The Titanic shimmershiner, also known as the King of Manta Rays, is a truly astonishing creature of the worldwide ocean and the known sea. With a wingspan that can surpass 20 feet, this manta is the largest living member of the manta species. Its body's shimmering blue and white coloration appears almost iridescent, creating a mesmerizing sight. The Titanic shimmershiner is a gentle giant, feeding primarily on plankton, It is revered by the sea stewards for its size and elegance, considered a symbol of the ocean's majesty. The Titanic shimmershiner has evolved over time through various adaptations and features that contribute to its formidable size and unique attributes. Its streamlined body shape and broad, flattened wings allow it to effortlessly glide through the water for extended periods of time. The skin of the shimmershiner is thick and hardened, providing armor against potential predators. Additionally, the shimmershiner's size serves as a defensive mechanism, deterring potential predators. Its massive mouth, equipped with a sieve-like structure, enables the manta to filter feed on vast amounts of plankton and small marine life. In the vast expanse of the open ocean, nocturnal manta ray descendants revel in their own nocturnal banquet. The snaggle-toothed carnamantas have grown into formidable apex predators, and they have developed a liking for a particular prey, the mantrals, another unique type of marine manta. These snaggle-toothed carnamantas, with their sharp and pointed teeth, hunt the mantrals under the cover of night, feasting on this specific species of manta with ease. In the picture, a common mantaral is swimming amongst the waters, its sleek and streamlined body gliding through the water with ease. The manta's mackerel-sized frame is evident, with its distinctive coloration and fins, making it an unmistakable sight in the underwater environment. It is an iconic representative of the manta species, known for its grace and adaptability in the vast oceans. Near the common mantaral in the image is a translucent and iridescent mantarantula hatchling. The tiny manta looks fragile and vulnerable in its larva stage, with its soft and transparent body showing its underdeveloped state. Despite its delicate appearance, the hatchling exhibits the beginning of the metamorph manta's unique adaptation, hinting at the adult form it will eventually grow into. The adult semi-terrestrial mantarantula presents a fascinating sight to behold. With its spider-like appearance, it boasts striking coloration, featuring a combination of iridescent hues that shimmer in the light. Its forelimbs are powerful and developed, aiding in its locomotion both in water and on land. Overall, the semi-terrestrial mantarantula is a captivating example of nature's adaptability and innovation. The metamorph mantas, to which the mantarantula belongs, exhibit an unparalleled level of unique adaptations. The life cycle of these creatures began with mantas laying small, unshelled eggs, which allowed them to reproduce quickly but resulted in their hatchlings being born extremely underdeveloped, resembling manta tadpoles in their larval stage. Over time, the larva-like stage became increasingly sophisticated, culminating in the development of stronger forelimbs that enable the young to move through water with greater efficiency. This stage eventually leads to the semi-terrestrial adulthood of these marvelously adaptable creatures. This image highlights the remarkable journey they undergo as they develop from these minuscule larvae to the semi-terrestrial adults they become. At the conclusion of our brief glimpse into the diverse array of manta ray descendants inhabiting the waters of the Earth of Trine, we encounter the smallest member of the metamorph manta family, the jumping arachnamanta. This tiny manta species, named for its unique ability to leap out of the water, has developed several distinct characteristics to help it navigate its underwater environment. Its body is spider-like and flattened, with strong pectoral fins, allowing it to move swiftly through the water. At maturity, these mantas reach a size comparable to a betta fish, and their life cycle begins as slug-like larvae. Not surprisingly, they are one of the smallest rays to have evolved, adding to the wonders of biodiversity within the oceanic ecosystem.